Ooh-wee.
Listen, I got a question for you. How many seasonings do you have in your cabinet right now? I'm just asking. Ooh-wee, that's all you need. One bottle can do everything. You can braise with it, saute with it, put it on the grill, fry with it. I even got one that you're gonna be able to bake with. Ooh-wee family, listen, I'm gonna start showing y'all all recipes on what you can do with them and how you can become a ooh-wee chef. That'd be the thing. So what I want y'all to do is just stay tuned. So we got a whole lot of different things coming for you. I guarantee you're gonna be walking around the house saying, ooh-wee, I'm a chef. I know how to cook now. I got something for the kids. I got something for the singles, moms, dads, everybody. Hey family, we back. We back, family. Ooh-wee, we back.
Swinton Images Media Group.